So this multimedia CarPlay device is going to allow you a couple more options versus the base option that you're going to have on your screen, or at least the base options that I had on my screen. It's going to come in a box just like this. It's going to come with two cords. The one that is connected here, and there's going to be another one for firmware. It's going to connect there. That's a regular USB, and this one is a USB-C, and it's connected down there to one of my ports. I did try some different cords, and it only worked with the cord that it came with, so keep that in mind. To connect, I currently have this hot spotted, but we're going to go to network settings. See, internet is the, I didn't mean to press that. The internet is Galaxy S24, which is what I'm recording on right now. So we have all kinds of different apps. Oh yeah, to connect to Bluetooth, all I did was hit the call button, and a pair symbol popped up. I hit pair, hit scan on my phone, connected them like that. That was super easy. Connecting to the Wi-Fi was a little bit harder because you got to put in your password and all that kind of stuff. So, oh yeah, and if I want to get to my regular, this is an Android, obviously. So if I want to get to my Android Auto, all I'm going to do is press that button, and it's going to connect over here to my Android Auto. And if I want to go back, just hit exit. It's going to come back here. So one of the cool things, you got Spotify, Netflix, YouTube, some of the other apps that you have here. You can see Bluetooth music. You have to play with all the different apps, but I'll show you how Netflix works on it right now. And I'm going to show you whenever this pops up. Open Wi-Fi settings, click Wi-Fi to on. Whenever you go back to Android Auto and come back here, it's going to automatically do that. And I'm going to wait for my cell phone to pop up, because that's what the hotspot's faster than my house. That's my house Wi-Fi there. And the phone hotspot's going to be faster than that right now. There we go, automatically connecting. Okay, so let's go back to Netflix. You can see here, I had to log into my account, obviously, but just hit that. So you can turn it up.
My Uncle Danny sneaks grilled cheese sandwiches into restaurants.
So you can just use all your regular stuff while you're watching Netflix on your screen. And same things goes for YouTube and all the other apps that you saw on there. So this thing's pretty cool. It's a thumbs up for me. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.